Hi! Hello, my wonderful English family. Welcome to the Miss Lucy English channel. I'm Lucy, and I'm so excited to be here with you today. Wherever you are right now, Brazil, Japan, India, Spain, or any other beautiful country in the world, welcome. You are part of my global English family, and I'm so proud of you for showing up today to practice speaking English with me. Today, we are going to have a very long and very special episode all about improving your speaking and conversational skills with me. I'm going to guide you step by step with lots of examples, stories, exercises, and practice, so you can really feel your English speaking improve by the end of this episode. Grab a comfortable chair, maybe a cup of tea or coffee, and get ready because we are going to speak a lot together. If you're listening while walking or cooking, just talk out loud. I promise no one will judge you. Let's start with a quick warm-up to get your voice ready. Repeat after me slowly. I am ready to speak English today. Now louder. I am ready to speak English today. One more time with a big smile. I am ready to speak English today. Perfect. You already sound more confident. Feel that energy. That's the power of speaking out loud. Now let's talk about why speaking English matters so much. Speaking is not just about knowing grammar or vocabulary. It's about connecting with people, sharing your ideas, making friends, traveling, getting better jobs, and feeling confident in the world. Think about it. When you travel, you need to ask for directions, order food, or talk to hotel staff. At work, you might have meetings or calls with people from other countries. Online, you can chat with friends from all over the world in English. Every time you speak English, you open a new door in your life. I remember when I first started learning other languages, I was so shy. I would point at things instead of speaking. But the moment I started talking, even with mistakes, people smiled and helped me, and that made me feel so happy. Mistakes are okay. They're how we learn. So please be kind to yourself. Today, we're going to practice together and have fun. Now tell me out loud, why do you want to improve your speaking? Maybe you want to travel, maybe you want a better job, maybe you want to make friends online. Say it out loud. I want to improve my speaking because, and finish the sentence. Good job! Repeating your goals makes them stronger. Let's do a little icebreaker right now. Imagine we just met at a cafe. I'll start and you answer out loud. Hi, I'm Lucy. Nice to meet you. What's your name? Pause and say, Hi Lucy, my name is... Your name? Nice to meet you too. Great. Now I say, where are you from? You answer, I'm from... your city or country. Oh, I love your country. How's the weather there today? You answer, sounds nice. What did you do yesterday? You tell me. Wow, look at you. You're already having a real conversation with me. Let's keep going. Repeat after me these natural greetings. Hey, how's it going? What's new with you? Long time no see. Good to see you again. Now your turn. Pretend you just met me. Say out loud, Hey, Lucy, how's it going? Long time no see. Then add one question. What did you do this weekend? Perfect. You're doing amazing. Now let's build your vocabulary together. I'm going to give you lots of useful phrases for everyday conversations, and we'll practice them one by one. First category, greetings and small talk. Hi, how are you doing today? Hey, what's up? Good morning. Nice to see you. Hello, long time no see. What's new? How have you been? Pleased to meet you. Great to see you again. Hey, how's life treating you? Repeat after me. Hi, how are you doing today? Now use it out loud. Hi, how are you doing today? Great. Now let's talk about weather. The weather is beautiful today, isn't it? It's raining cats and dogs outside. How's the weather in your city? I love sunny days like this. It's so cold, I need a hot coffee. Looks like it's going to storm. The forecast says it'll be warm tomorrow. I prefer rainy days for reading. What's the hottest it's ever been where you live? Snow makes everything look magical. Repeat, the weather is beautiful today, isn't it? Now say it about your weather today. The weather is beautiful today, isn't it? Good job. Next, food and drinks. What's your favorite food? Have you tried Italian pizza? I'm craving sushi right now. Do you like spicy food? Coffee or tea? Which do you prefer? I made a delicious salad yesterday. What's a traditional dish from your country? I love trying new restaurants. Are you a vegetarian? Dessert is my weakness, especially chocolate cake. Repeat, what's your favorite food? Now answer it out loud. My favorite food is... Good. Now let's do daily routines. I wake up at 6 a.m. every day. I have breakfast with my family. I go to work by bus. In the afternoon, I exercise. I come home and cook dinner. I watch TV before bed. On weekends, I sleep in. I read books in the evening. I check emails first thing. I meditate for 10 minutes daily. Describe your morning routine out loud. I wake up at... I have breakfast with... Now expressing opinions. In my opinion, English is essential. I think that's a great idea. I agree with you completely. I disagree because, from my point of view, that's an interesting perspective. I believe we should... What do you think about? I'm not sure, but absolutely. I feel the same. Say, in my opinion, learning English is fun because... And finish it. Now, feelings. I'm feeling happy today. That makes me sad. I'm excited about the weekend. I'm nervous before speaking. I feel confident now. That frustrates me. I'm grateful for your help. I'm tired after work. I'm surprised by that. I'm proud of my progress. Describe how you feel right now out loud. I feel because... Good. Hobbies and free time. My hobby is reading books. I like playing soccer with friends. In my free time, I listen to music. I enjoy cooking new recipes. Do you like traveling? I love watching movies. Gardening relaxes me. I play video games on weekends. Painting is my passion. I collect stamps from different countries. Tell me out loud about your top 3 hobbies. Work and study. What do you do for a living? I'm a student at university. My job is challenging but rewarding. I study English every day. How's work going? I have a meeting this afternoon. I'm learning new skills. My dream job is to be a teacher. School is busy this semester. I work from home. Role play. Tell me about yourself out loud. Travel and places. Have you been to Paris? I love beach vacations. My favorite city is Tokyo. Traveling broadens the mind. I want to visit Australia. The mountains are beautiful. I flew to London last year. Do you prefer cities or countryside? Hotels or Airbnbs? Sightseeing is fun. Describe a place you visited or want to visit. Family and friends. I have 2 siblings. My best friend lives nearby. Family dinners are important to me. I talk to my parents every day. Friends make life better. I met my friend at school. My family is from... Do you have pets? I love spending time with loved ones. Birthdays are special celebrations. Talk about your family out loud. We've covered so many useful phrases. Now let's practice pronunciation together. English has some tricky sounds. Let's work on them one by one. First, the TH sound. Put your tongue between your teeth. Say this, that, the. Thank you. Think. 3. Now fast. This is the thing I think about 3 times. Now say, the 3 teachers thank their students. Good. Next, the R sound. Red, right, river, run. The Red River runs really fast. Now, if you speak Japanese, Korean, or Chinese, let's practice L versus R. Light, right, fly, fry. I like light rice, not fried rice. Now, tongue twisters. Say slowly first. She sells seashells by the seashore. Now faster. Try it 3 times out loud. Laugh if you mess up, it's okay. Now let's do role plays to make everything real. First scenario, ordering at a cafe. Hi, welcome. What would you like to eat? Answer out loud. And to drink. Answer that. That's $8.50. Here you go. Have a nice day. Thank you. Bye. Now do it again out loud. Second scenario, meeting a new friend. Hi, I'm Lucy. Nice to meet you. Where are you from? Answer. Cool. What do you do for fun? Answer. That sounds fun. Tell me more. Keep talking for 20 seconds. Third scenario, job interview. Tell me about your experience. Answer. Now ask me a question back. Fourth scenario, shopping. Can I help you find something? Ask their items, prices, try on. Fifth scenario, doctor's office. What's wrong? Describe your symptoms. Sixth scenario, making friends at a park. Nice dog. What's its name? Chat about pets, weather, hobbies. Seventh scenario, phone call to customer service. How can I assist? Explain a problem. Eighth scenario, travel agency. Where do you want to go? Plan a trip. Ninth scenario, school meeting. How is your child doing? Discuss grades. 10th scenario, party conversation. Hi, how do you know the host? Share stories. Do each one twice out loud. The number one way to keep conversations going is to ask questions. Repeat after me. Really? Tell me more. How did that happen? What do you think? Why do you like it? Now imagine I said, I love chocolate ice cream. Ask me 3 questions out loud. Go. Raise your hand if you ever feel shy to speak. Now say out loud, mistakes are how I learn. Repeat 3 times. Mistakes are how I learn. Mistakes are how I learn. You're allowed to make mistakes. I make mistakes too, and I still love speaking English. Before we finish, here is your homework for this week. Speak English out loud for 5 minutes every day. Record yourself talking about your day for 30 seconds. Come back to this video and comment, I practiced speaking with Lucy today. Tell me in the comments my biggest speaking challenge is. Thank you so much for spending this long lesson with me. You are amazing. I'm so proud of you. You're not just learning English, you're becoming more confident, more connected, and more you. This is Lucy from the MS Lucy English channel saying keep speaking, keep smiling, keep shining. I'll see you in the next lesson and in the comments. Bye for now.